In today's video, I'm showing off how to take Blender models from Blender and import them into Godot. And you may think that you have to go to Blender and go File, Export, and export it as a file, and then upload it to Godot, but there's actually a much easier method where you can drag the .blend file itself straight into Godot. So to set it up, first go Project, Project Settings, and then go to File System, Import. And in Import, make sure Blender's enabled. And I'm pretty sure it's enabled by default, but if it's not, check this box. And then go Editor, Editor Settings, all the way down to File System, Import, and then this will be blank. And if it is, when you drag in a Godot or a Blender model, so let's take this donut here. If I drag it in, we will see that we'll get a little pop-up saying confirm the path, which will set the path from there. If this doesn't work, set it manually, but this worked for me. So I will import the asset, and then it will load for a second, and once it's done loading, the model will be in. All right, now it's done, and you can see we have this donut.blend plus all the materials I used for just the background. And if I drag it in, you'll see the entire scene loads in, and even the lights in the scene remain as well. So we can look at this, and we have our donuts. However, you may notice two things. One, the donut is just white, and two, there is no sprinkles. So to fix the donut white part, if you have to drag in any texture that you made as an image texture. So like here in texture paint, I made this as a image, so I'll have to drag this in, and then it'll load. And I gotta save it up here too. So then once it does that, it will load, and we should see that the donut gets its color. And there we go. The donut now has its correct texture. And to fix the sprinkles, the reason that doesn't work is that I'm using geometry nodes for the sprinkles. So I would have to come in here and add a new node for my instance on point, because I have distribute points on face, instance on point, and then I have to do realize instances. So place that in, cut the link here, attach this here, and that is for the round one, and I have one for long as well. So I got to do the same thing to instance points, cut the link, drag it out, realize instances like that, save it, and then Godot will do its import. And once it's done importing, all the sprinkles will appear. And there we go. We have all of our sprinkles on the donuts. And it's pretty simple. It even works with the lights, so you can leave lights in it. Anytime you update this scene, it will update this scene as well. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope that was helpful. If you want to see a game that doesn't use 3D model but still took me a ton of work, you should check out this video here where I explain how I made and published Fight Poker. And until next time, see ya!